Hello and welcome to Journey of Joy with Anjali Verma. We have a very special guest.
Hold on. This is your podcast, I know, but welcome to Journey of Joy with Anjali Verma. I'm the host, and we have a very special guest, Anjali herself. Anjali, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Shalini. Thank
So,
you.
the reason we are here today is we all want to know how it all started, Anjali. How did you inspire to be who you are today, a luxury brand strategist and an image consulting?
Okay, I think it is a big journey and I have to really cut it down short for you so that you understand what I have done in the past. So I was a banker. I had a career of 14 years with a Swiss bank, a very renowned Swiss bank. और मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं 14 साल नौकरी करूंगी और नौकरी के बाद मुझे ध्यान आएगा कि मुझे कुछ और भी करना है. But then somehow I was very lucky that COVID came and that made me understand that I really have to do something else apart from my job, because I feel that I was never made for computers.
Starting from a small town girl, where are you from? Let's just start from the beginning.
Okay, so I am from a place called Gorakhpur. I think only because of Yogi Adityanath it has become a big city now. So I am from that place which comes into UP. And I have done my schooling there. After 18 years, I moved to Pune in 2008. I did my graduation here and then I got a job. 14 years, I worked for a Swiss bank.
Wow.
And then later, I hopped into a public relation industry, which I felt during the COVID that, this is something which I would go for. तो कोविड वॉज द टाइम, जो मैंने पहले भी बोला कि मुझे लगता था कि मुझे कुछ और भी करना है एंड आई एम नॉट मेड फॉर कंप्यूटर्स, तो इसीलिए मैंने उस इंडस्ट्री में पैर रखा. एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ कोर्स देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच हैपेंड, लेकिन हाँ, जब मैंने जॉब के साथ साथ ये चीज़ करी तो मुझे समझ में आने लगा दैट दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई शुड गो फॉर. तो yeah, so along with my job for last, I think job 14 years and 11th year I realized that I should do something else and that's how I started. Job के साथ साथ मैंने 3 साल इस industry में काम किया and then later I realized that my roots have become very stronger in this industry. And then I left my job क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि एक बार job के साथ कुछ सेटल नहीं होता तब तक अपनी जॉब नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए. I personally feel that. So what I did was, with my job, I did this career. When this made me stronger, I left my corporate journey and I moved to this industry. इसके साथ साथ when I left my job, I think last year January I left my job, 2025. And yeah, I was totally into this industry and then I studied for a year.
कैसे पता चला कि आपको कि this is what I wanted to do, यही मेरा passion है, this is the something that gonna inspire me?
I'll tell you something. Luxury brand strategist, when you say that, it is more towards people management. It is more of people handling. It is more about taking care of people's heart. So I felt when I started, I'm very good at communicating with people. I'm very good at having a strong relationships with people. So I felt that, when this is involved into a work, this will always work for me because people have felt the genuinity in me. उन्होंने मेरी honesty देखी है, मेरी loyalty देखी है, and that is the reason, that is one major reason that I felt that this industry is made for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have another very interesting question, which I think everyone is very confused about and everyone wants to know. Luxury brand strategist, what does it actually mean?
Okay. So पुणे में एक word चलता है, that is known as a guest lister. Of course, I started with being a guest lister. और guest lister के साथ साथ then I evolved into being a public relations for luxury brands, or else you can call it as luxury brand strategist. So there is a huge difference between both the terms.
क्या difference है?
Guest lister जो होता है, that is only and only taking care of the guest list, where we have some HNIs, some socialites, and we have some influential people from the town who are there into the list and they come for the event launches and the promotions. But then when we call it as a PR, when we call it as a luxury brand strategist, it is altogether an extended version of a guest lister. So of course guest listing भी उसमें रहती है. आप खुद भी बहुत influential रहते हो क्योंकि लोग आपके इवेंट्स पे इसीलिए आते हैं कि आप बहुत ही influential है, आप में कुछ तो ऐसी बात है जो आपकी तरफ लोगों को खींचता है. That is another. Also you take care of the brand reputation. वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. तो ब्रांड का reputation people लोगों के सामने अच्छा होना, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, and only a luxury brand strategist can do this. Apart from it, media relationships. The luxury brand strategists, they connect brand with the media also. Apart from that, they also help the brand with building relationship with the people, with the market, with the media, and along with this, they also help people in curating the events, hosting the events, taking care of the marketing, advertising, and lot many things. So this is the major difference between only being a guest lister and being a public relations or a luxury brand strategist.
So Anjali, what inspired you from IT industry to becoming a luxury brand strategist?
So I remember कोविड का टाइम्स, ओके, और मुझे लगता था तब तक मेरे को बिल्कुल भी फीलिंग भी नहीं थी दैट यू नो आई विल गेट इनटू समथिंग एल्स. आई वाज टोटली इनटू कंप्यूटर्स, आई वाज टोटली इनटू नंबर्स, एंड आई वाज वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, एंड आई हैड नो गोल्स. आई मीन इट वाज जस्ट टुवर्ड्स कॉर्पोरेट, दैट्स इट. कोविड के टाइम जब आया तब मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा कि मुझे कुछ और करना है, you know, apart from, because COVID was the time when we felt कि you know we have some time. वो टाइम मुझे समझ में आया that I am not made for computers. You know, I'm very artist person, so I should do something else in my life. That's how I felt what to do. तब मैंने ब्लॉगिंग की थी क्योंकि हम घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकते.
How interesting.
तब मैंने ब्लॉगिंग शुरू की और मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स चलाना शुरू कर दिया. और मैंने जब उसे चालू किया तो मुझे बहुत सारे रीच मिलने लगे. You know, people started interacting on the reels. और वो आपको ना मोटिवेट करने लगता है अचानक से.
True,
when you
true.
start getting that attention, people feel, मतलब जो the person who's putting it, वो बड़ा खुश होने लगता है, अरे मुझे you know attention मिल रहा है.
इतने likes मिले, इतने share मिले.
Yes, so I was very happy. Then I felt कि you know I am little becoming influential. Though I was not very much, but still I felt so. वो एक बच्चा दिमाग भी हमारा होता है ना, तो वो मुझे फील होने लगा.
तो किस टाइप के कंटेंट से आपने शुरू किया था?
I used to make hacks. खुद ही सोचती थी, हैक्स बनाती थी और मुझे अच्छा लगता था. एंड आई फील कि उस टाइम लोगों को भी बहुत सारा कुछ था नहीं, इसीलिए इंस्टाग्राम वाज अ थिंग वेयर दे यूज्ड टू जस्ट स्क्रॉल एंड सी द रील्स. तब उस टाइम पे बहुत चलता था. आज तो बहुत कंपटीशन है. बट यस, दैट टाइम आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग ब्लॉगिंग, और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे आई रियलाइज दैट यू नो आई एम बिकमिंग इन्फ्लुएंशियल एंड आई कैन इंटरेक्ट विद पीपल. Then I felt that you know I should move to an event industry.
Okay.
Where it is more of a people interaction, because मैं अपनी job में भी numbers के साथ साथ मैं people interaction में भी थी. I was into stakeholder management.
Alright.
So it was more towards interacting with the bosses, with the onshore people. So I was very good at it. They used to connect with me. तो वो तो पहले से ही था मेरे में. और जब मैं PR इंडस्ट्री में घुसी तो वहाँ पे मुझे समझ में आ गया दैट यू नो पीपल आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस. उन्हें मेरा स्टाइल अच्छा लगता है, उन्हें मेरी बातें अच्छी लगती है, मैं एज अ पर्सनैलिटी उन्हें पसंद हूँ. एंड आई फेल दैट यू नो इफ आई इन्वाइट देम दे विल कम अगेन एंड अगेन, बिकॉज मुझे पहला इवेंट करने के बाद थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था. सो दैट्स हाउ आई इवॉल्व्ड एंड आई मूव इनटू अ PR इंडस्ट्री.
So Anjali, what are the common myths about your profession?
बहुत बार ऐसा लोगों ने सोचा है दैट यू नो वी आर जस्ट डूइंग those 10-20 people का guest listing and we are done with that. लेकिन actually में ऐसा नहीं है, ये गलत है. And I'll tell you, this is an art and not everybody can do this. इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. ये सिर्फ guest listing की बात नहीं है, ये इसके अलावा भी we host the event. People should turn up for your events. You know, you have to be really very very influential. नहीं तो people आप एक दो बार इवेंट करोगे and then you will lose out.
Yeah, people get bored.
Yeah, definitely. You know, you have to choose the right brand for the people. You have to be very specific about whom you're inviting, whom you're not inviting. It is very important. People also feel कि you know हमें नहीं बुलाया,
Of course.
और हमें इसके लिए नहीं इनवाइट किया. But you know, I have to actually tell people कि सब चीजों के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक यू नो ऑडियंस होती है.
Correct. Of
है ना,
course.
किसी ब्रांड को 25 से 35 तक का क्राउड चाहिए होता है, किसी ब्रांड को 55 तक का क्राउड चाहिए होता है. लेकिन पीपल हैव अ फीलिंग कि द पर्सन हु इज होस्टिंग द इवेंट हैज नॉट कॉल्ड एवरीवन. तो दे हैव अ फीलिंग अच्छा ये चाहती नहीं थी कि हम आए. लेकिन ये गलत है. ये वो नहीं समझ पाते हमारी जगह पे रह के कि ब्रांड क्या चाहता है. यू नो, वी एक्चुअली गेट पिस्ड ऑफ बिटवीन द पीपल एंड द ब्रांड. सो वो भी एक मिथ है जो लोगों को लगता है कि अरे शायद अंजलि का मन नहीं है बुलाने का, बट एक्चुअली में वो केस नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट द ब्रांड, वॉट एवर दे आस्क फॉर वी डू इट अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड ऑफ कोर्स पीपल फील कि एक बार गेस्ट लिस्टिंग हो गई और बस ये तो सिर्फ गेस्ट लिस्ट है ना, वो तो कोई भी ला सकता है, 50 लोग ही तो लेकर आने हैं. बट गेटिंग अ राइट पोटेंशियल पीपल फॉर द ब्रांड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Right kind of mix for the brand,
Yeah,
which is
yeah,
benefitive for the guest itself as well as for the brand.
Right. Keeping the brand's reputation is very important between the people and the brand. It is very important.
That balance is so important.
Yeah, balance is very, very important. And apart from that, hosting, acknowledging people, taking care of the people, whether they have enjoyed, whether they have eaten, whether they are good, they are comfortable, ये सब चीजों का ध्यान रखना ये भी बहुत जरूरी है.
And you do this fantastically. I've been part of your events for so long.
Thank you
I've
so
seen
much,
you from
Shalini.
last 5 years, and I've attended some of the finest of the brands and that you have hosted.
Thank you so much, Shalini. But I should tell you that I respect that people turn up for my events because I feel सबका टाइम इम्पोर्टेंट है, और अगर वो मेरे लिए 1 घंटे के लिए भी आते हैं तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. And I have to respect people. That is something which is must in my profile. And I acknowledge each and every one because I want them to feel special. And I always make sure that they feel special.
Anjali, are you a fashionable person or a stylish person?
Okay, so I find myself more towards stylish rather than being a fashionable because I feel that anything which you carry with confidence makes a fashion. Okay.
What is the difference?
Okay, all right. Fashion ऐसी चीज़ है जो आज आया 2-4-6 महीना रहा और फिर से वो चेंज हो गया. I generally don't believe it. मैं उस फ्लो में ही नहीं हूँ. I always feel that आप जितने स्टाइलिश हो, आपने अगर समझो वेल बॉटम्स भी पहन लिए तो भी आपको if you can carry it very well, then you are a stylish and along with that you are a fashionable person. अगर आप ट्रेंड्स के हिसाब से जाओगे, फैशन के हिसाब से जाओगे, then you will not be able to survive for a longer time. आपको ये समझना है कि अगर आपके वार्डरोब में बेल बॉटम्स भी रखे हैं और वो आज के फैशन में नहीं चल रहा है, बट यू कैरी इट वेरी वेल, you make a trend. So I find myself that I'm very stylish rather than being very fashionable, क्योंकि बार बार फैशन को अपनाना भी easy नहीं है. You have to put lot of money towards it, which gets into a waste, and I don't believe that.
And the trends keeps changing every few months.
Absolutely, and you cannot catch on the trends.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to catch fashion. So I find myself more towards a stylish person because whatever I pick up or whatever I wear has to look very good, has to look powerful, has to look stylish. So I'm a stylish person.
Great. So what is your go-to clothing for like a early morning jogging?
I don't go for jogging. आपको पता है.
But I know you're a gym person, you're a yoga person.
Right.
Tell me about something, what is your health routines looks like?
Before that you asked me कि मैं अपने वर्कआउट के टाइम पे what would I like to wear? Yeah. So a loose track pants which I like a lot because I feel कि I'm very comfortable with that, and and I wear my neon shoes which I like a lot. और मुझे लगता है वो सबको ही दिखता है मेरी स्टोरी पे, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत ही मेरे लिए ट्रेंडिंग है और मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट करता है. When I look at my shoes, I feel very motivated. I have to go to the gym. They are very beautiful. So I wear such things to the gym. और apart from that, I generally feel कि वो मेरे दिमाग में भी है कि सुबह वर्कआउट करना है.
So what is your mantra for fitness?
I think self-love.
Very interesting answer. I wasn't expecting that. I was thinking yoga, gym, cardio.
नहीं. I generally feel कि खुद से प्यार होना बहुत जरूरी है. जिस दिन खुद से प्यार हो गया उस दिन सारे गोल अचीव करने पे आ जाएंगे आप. उस दिन सारा वर्कआउट होने लगेगा, उस दिन सारा काम परफेक्ट होने लगेगा. So I feel कि अगर आपके पास सेल्फ लव नहीं है, if you don't love yourself, you will not be motivated for anything. So self-love is the mantra which I will give to every damn person, everyone.
Self-love is the motivation.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anjali, I always see you smiling, bubbly, interactive with everybody with this beautiful smile on your face. But I'm sure you had some setbacks when you must be starting. Would you care to share some with us?
Of course, I think every individual has got setbacks in their life. I'm sure about this. और वो मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है. और I think उसके बिना तो कोई जर्नी भी नहीं है. You have to taste everything in your life.
Yes.
और मुझे याद है कि मैं कॉर्पोरेट से आई हुई बंदी थी. I was totally a corporate person, not at all a social person. And social life was something which was definitely a new thing for me altogether, because corporate life में हमें टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है social होने का. और जब मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में घुसी और जब मैंने अपना काम शुरू किया तो एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं था लोगों में. They did not wanted to accept the fact that somebody from a corporate background is getting into a social and glam kind of an industry.
Completely different fields,
Absolutely different. Shalini, आपको भी पता है कि we corporate people are very, very different from the social people or the social gatherings or the glamour industry. It is very different altogether. It's like a North Pole and a South Pole. It's totally opposite. But then acceptance लोगों में, they were not taking me seriously कि ये कौन आ गया, and अचानक से she started doing events. Why will we go to her events? What is she into? कितना influence है इसका? क्या उतना इसका background strong है? I never had a godfather. Let me be very honest to you. वो कभी नहीं था मेरी life में. लेकिन मैंने ये सब कुछ आराम से patience के साथ आगे बढ़ाया है इस इंडस्ट्री में. So yeah, this was definitely a setback for me. और still I never felt that people are not accepting me. I was just working and working and working and working. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब आप कोई चीज़ कंसिस्टेंटली करने लगते हो ना तो शायद उसका रिजल्ट आपको कुछ सालों में या कुछ टाइम के बाद दिखने लगता है.
तो कभी मन नहीं किया आज कि मैं गिव अप कर देती हूँ अपनी नौकरी में ही, 9 to 6 बहुत अच्छी हूँ, ठीक हूँ,
नहीं
काम करके घर जाओ और सो जाओ?
नहीं. I am a person जिसके पैर में चक्के लगे हुए हैं. I have wheels in my foot. तो मैं हमेशा से outgoing रही हूँ, but मैंने कभी अपने आप को social life से attach नहीं किया था. But I used to like going for movies, shopping, बातें करना लोगों से. I have always been very extrovert. तो मुझे कभी रुकने का तो मन ही नहीं था. मैं एक बार कॉर्पोरेट के साथ कुछ और चुन लिया तो आई विल नेवर लुक बैक. मेरा हमेशा से वो सीन रहा ही है. अगर मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कुछ पकड़ लिया है तो वो छोड़ूंगी नहीं. चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप्स हो और चाहे वो काम हो, चाहे वो करियर हो, चाहे वो वर्कआउट हो. तो मैंने कभी भी कुछ भी छोड़ा नहीं अपनी लाइफ में. I've never seen back. This was once a setback, and the other one was that when I tell you that people did not take me seriously, it was the brands also who did not take me seriously.
In what way? Can you elaborate?
So there was times then where they felt कि मैंने अच्छा काम नहीं किया उनके हिसाब से. बहुत स्टार्टिंग की बात है शालिनी, and I think ऐसे मैंने एक दो बहुत स्टार्टिंग में इवेंट्स हुए मेरे ऐसे जहाँ पे ब्रांड्स को मेरे पे बिलीफ बहुत नहीं था, लेकिन मैंने इवेंचुअली ये सब बिल्ट अपना रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड कर लिया उनके साथ. आई शोड माई स्ट्रेंथ, आई शोड माई बेस्ट पार्ट टू देम, एंड लेटर आई थिंक वो धीरे धीरे अपने आप ही वो रिलेशनशिप्स और वो स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग ब्रांड्स के साथ भी मेरी बन गई. सो yeah, so these are the setbacks.
So I have, I remember in one of our conversation, long time ago, I think it's been a few years, that you mentioned during COVID time, you had a little depression.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people don't want to talk about it, don't want to touch upon it, but it's a reality, right?
Right.
I would really like you to actually tell us more about what exactly happened.
COVID was the time where we couldn't go out. That was the major part where people felt कि यार अब तो हम malls भी नहीं जा सकते, movies भी नहीं देख सकते, हम shopping भी नहीं कर सकते, सब अचानक से सब बंद. A lot of people were happy, but for me it was shutting all the doors. you know, I have been very outgoing person. तो मेरे लिए वो एक डिप्रेशन और एंजाइटी में कन्वर्ट हो चुका था, बिकॉज सिर्फ नौकरी करना, लैपटॉप पे काम करना और घर पे बैठ के सिर्फ टीवी देखना, यू नो, आई एम नॉट सच काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. मुझे एंजाइटी अटैक्स और पैनिक अटैक्स भी आते थे कोविड के टाइम पे, और मुझे पता है कि वो कुछ 1 साल तक चला है. एंड आई रिमेंबर माई फैमिली, माई हस्बैंड यूज टू टेक मी इनटू इमरजेंसी, एंड यू नो, आई यूज टू टेक इंजेक्शंस फॉर एंजाइटी. एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट टाइम दैट आई वाज आल्सो एडमिटेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, वेयर डॉक्टर कुडंट फाइंड ये चीज़ें आप चेक नहीं कर सकते हो एंजाइटी लेवल. हाँ, ये हो क्यों रहा है. एंड द डॉक्टर टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड दैट यू नो, शी हैज अ मेंटल प्रॉब्लम. आई डोंट नो. You know, he said
and I'm sure everyone was going through the very similar stage during COVID, right?
Yes,
but
yes, yes.
I don't see a lot of people talk about it and acknowledge it, that it was normal. You know, it happens to everybody.
Right, and that was I mean, if you ask me the setback, I think I will put this on number 1. कि मैंने anxiety और panic attacks actually मैं महसूस किए हुए हैं, and it has been really a tough time for me during the COVID. मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच चुकी थी that I had to take medicines to suppress my stress level. But वहाँ तक पहुंची मैं, लेकिन मैंने वो टच नहीं किया. मैं ये समझ चुकी थी that you know, I have to do something else.
Strong willpower to
so I
come out of it.
Yes, I spoke to a doctor. You know, she's my friend's husband, and he gave me some tips कि तुम जो भी अपनी लाइफ में करती हो सब कुछ उल्टा कर दो.
What a wonderful trip.
Yeah. So he told me कि आप चेंज कर दो जो भी अभी करते हो. तो मैं तो पहले ही I was a morning person. I used to get up by 7 o'clock. I started getting up by 5:30.
Oh.
ठीक है. वो मुझे बोलने लगे जो भी तुम खाती हो उसका रिवर्स कर दो. तो मैं सब कुछ हेल्दी खाने लगी. You know, रात में भी I used to eat before 7. और शायद वो चीज़ मैं आज तक अपना रही हूँ. You know, you started telling me you start gymming, you start doing exercise, you know, you start doing meditation. I started all of that. I started loving myself. So COVID was the time which told me that you know, you have to have self love.
Yes.
तो वो मैंने शुरू करा, और उसके बाद फिर मैंने आपको बताया कि मैंने ब्लॉगिंग शुरू की, और that's how my journey started. तो ये सब किया, and
there you are.
So yeah, वो डिप्रेशन, वो एंजाइटी, वो पैनिक अटैक्स, वो कहाँ गए मुझे भी नहीं पता है, बट आई थिंक ये सब दिमाग का खेल है. It is all in
you remember them as you know, one of your times when you were the lowest, and you
right.
came out stronger and stronger.
Right, it is all in your head.
It's all in your head. It's true. Anjali, you are a mother, you are a wife, you are a daughter, you are a daughter-in-law, sister, friend. Do you think women can have it all?
I think women are blessed with being a multitasking.
Really? Are you a multitasker?
I think I will give this credit to all the women, because I feel कि हर एक lady बहुत सारे roles निभाती है अपनी life में. You know, if you tell me कि Anjali, you know, we have been a corporate person, yeah, we have been moving out to do you know certain professionalism also. I feel कि homemakers भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं. You know, even they have to be multitasking in their own way.
Now, I'm moving into you know very related question to this. You become a newly mother. Your daughter is beautiful.
I think now she is reaching to 3 years.
Really? Time flies.
Yeah.
I still remember when you were talking to me about how the motherhood is for me, and now you have a beautiful young daughter. How did this motherhood treated you so far? Are you enjoying it?
Yes, absolutely. I have been blessed with the best thing in my life. और मुझे लगता है शायद वो आने से मेरी लाइफ में और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ट्रिपल हो चुकी हैं. You know, so I feel that that was the best blessing in my life, my daughter. Motherhood, I feel जब तक आप मदर बनते नहीं हो तब तक पता नहीं होता है कि क्या चीज़ है, और शायद वो मेरे लिए भी था. मुझे सिर्फ अपना करियर ही उस टाइम पे दिखता था, और मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि सिर्फ करियर इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और मुझे उसमें ही यू नो आई हैव टू स्ट्राइव टुवर्ड्स इट, आई हैव टू गो टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल, आई हैव टू बिकम समथिंग. सो दैट वाज माय मेजर गोल दैट टाइम. बट व्हेन आई got pregnant, when I was expecting,
you have to shift completely your you know
your priorities become different. But then still at that time also I remember that you know I still managed to do both. I had my job, full-time job.
You had a full-time job?
Yes. I had my events and I had my pregnancy journey. So all three things were together. I remember the times, I think I should have spoken this to you when you were talking about the setbacks. But then, yeah, first 3 months, like, lot of women would agree to the fact that, you know, a lot of women feel कि first 3 months में बहुत depression जैसा हो जाता है.
Yeah,
It
you
is
feel
just
low, your body is going
Yeah.
through so many changes.
Yes,
you know,
yes,
you're
yes.
raging with hormones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think my husband would clarify this better that, you know, I've literally I was behind his life for 3 months. I've been talking to him, saying that, you know, I'm getting into depression and this is happening, that is, but I should tell you, depression is a very big word. It was definitely not a depression. It was just that, you know, it was just a mood swing.
New change in your body and mind. Yes.
Yeah, it was hormonal changes which was happening to me. And my first 3 months was really very struggling for me. So, but then later I realized that, you know, I have to get up from my bed. 3 महीने मैं एक बेड के कॉर्नर में ही बैठी रहती थी और ये सोचती थी अब क्या करना है. And I already had half of my career. I lived into this journey of being a luxury brand strategist along with my job. तो मैंने वो आधा तो पूरा कर ही दिया था, प्रूफ भी कर दिया था. लेकिन अब मैं सोच रही थी कि अब प्रेगनेंसी के साथ ये कैसे करूँ. It's very difficult.
तो कभी सोचा नहीं थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लेती हूँ,
नहीं.
Let me just focus on just the motherhood and leave my job, or just leave the passion of, you know, being a PR person for some time.
नहीं, मैंने ना ये सब बहुत मुश्किल से किया है. मेरी I have seen struggles, I have seen setbacks. I know how I have become a luxury brand strategist and a very popular one. It was very difficult. You know, you have to. I understand you have to choose, you know, one thing sometimes, that, you know, you want to choose your personal life or a professional life, but I wanted to have both. दोनों नाव में पैर रखना था मुझे. और मैंने वो माइंडसेट, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, वो माइंडसेट बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. You have to be confident.
You had that willpower in you. That you had to do both.
तो वो मैंने माइंडसेट और विल पावर इतना स्ट्रांग बना लिया था कि मुझे ये भी चाहिए और वो भी चाहिए. And 3 months I remember I was very sad, and then later I got up. I did events, I did my yoga for next 9 months, I remember. और 9th month में मैंने लास्ट अपना एक इवेंट किया था बहुत बड़े ब्रांड के साथ, and that's how I went into my delivery phase. तो मैंने अपना वो नाम, वो करियर जो मैं चला रही थी, वो चलता जा रहा था उस 9 महीने भी. I had my dietitian, let me be very honest to you. मेरी dietitian day 1 से थी. और मैंने वो, अगर कोई मतलब if somebody asked me about the tips of, you know, pregnancy.
You were super fit during that time. Like,
yeah.
And even after the baby was delivered, you were like back in shape in no time. I'm sure you must be following like a very strict diet and, you know, exercise routine at home.
आपने एक word बोला ना, will power. वो था बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग. और डे 1 से ही मैंने सोच लिया था that, you know, I have to be into this industry which I'm already living, right? तो उसके लिए मुझे फिट दिखना. और सबको, मेरे को खुद से तो प्यार हो ही गया था ना. मैंने आपको बोला खुद से प्यार मुझे, सेल्फ लव वाज ऑलरेडी, दैट हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग द कोविड व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू द एंजाइटी. तो मुझे जब उससे प्यार हो ही गया था, तो मैंने ये सोच लिया था दैट, यू नो, इफ आई एम that those Indian women who gains weight after 9 months, I never wanted to become one. Never. तो day 1 से ही मैंने सोच लिया that I will have a dietitian. Day 1 से मैंने सोच लिया that, you know, it's a very personal thing, but then I felt that, you know, using a bio oil on the tummy, you know, it is very
stretch mark.
Yes.
Oh my God. Yes.
I should tell you that I am very clear on those grounds as well. I have worked towards it. Day 1 से मैंने वो सब चीज़ें यूज़ की हैं. मैं, मेरी डाइटिशियन ने जो मुझे बोला, स्पेशली वो प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं खाना. आपको क्रेविंग्स होती है रात में 10 बजे 11 बजे के बाद, you know, replace it with cucumber or watermelon.
Like a healthy version of the snack.
Healthy version of it. जो मैं आज भी बहुत सारे बार कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. तो वो सब करना, वो सब बहुत ज़रूरी है मदरहुड, मतलब प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे. एंड प्लस कभी मन भी नहीं है तो भी एक्सरसाइज कर लेना. You know, you feel very lazy.
Pushing yourself a little bit more every single day.
कम से कम आधा घंटा, बट बहुत ज़रूरी है एक्सरसाइज करना. So I used to use my headphones with Om. है ना, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि मैं मेरी बेटी को वो सब कुछ एनर्जी पास करूँ. इसलिए आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट दैट, यू नो, लिसनिंग टू ओम विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. और उसके साथ साथ एक्सरसाइज करना, विच आई रिमेम्बर मेरी गैलरी में मैं बैठ के योगा करती थी. Sometimes it was very demotivating also, you know, but I have done it. 9 months I did it, and you see me now.
That's amazing, amazing. It's very inspiring to a lot of women who are actually seeing this podcast, that motherhood is never easy. There's so many changes that you've gone through during that before and after.
Absolutely.
And not a lot of people talk about it or understand it.
Right, Shalini, I want to add something more to it, that, you know, my doctor used to tell me that, you know, I'm one of the females who might be in the 1% or the 2% of the crowd, that, you know, I had 5 kgs which I gained during my pregnancy. Only 5 kgs.
Only 5 kgs?
Yes.
Oh my God, I don't want to talk about how many kgs I gained.
But then 3.1 was my baby. And
a very healthy baby.
Yeah. Yes. So 3.1 was my baby. And that was the thing that made me come back into the shape. I remember मैं brown rice खाती थी पूरे 9 महीने.
Wow. So you had a very strict diet.
Very strict. And after pregnancy also, it was definitely it was a check on my diet. It was very important because I felt that आगे के 3 महीने भी बहुत important होते हैं. Depression भी होती है. उस टाइम पे बहुत sad feel होता है post pregnancy.
Because baby is getting all the attention and you are not, right?
Yeah. अब क्या करें? कहाँ से शुरू करें? But I had this thing in my mind कि 40 days I will be at home. 41st day I will get up and do my events and do my other
back
things.
to work.
Yes, so 6 months. I think हमारी corporate में 6 महीने का
लीव होता है
maternity का.
Maternity
So मैंने उसको use किया अच्छे से. Because मुझे ये time मिला था जब मैं अपना सारा power लगा दूँ इस luxury brand strategist में, जहाँ पे मुझे और बहुत सारा लेवल मिलेगा एक्स्ट्रा ग्रो करने के लिए. तो मैंने उस टाइम पे ये सब कुछ किया. 6 months I have utilized like anything. And then after 6 months when I joined my office, I left my job.
Oh wow, so you used that time so effectively by nurturing your motherhood at the same time building a brand for yourself.
Yes. So willpower again.
Absolutely. Wonderful. So Anjali, give us a sneak peek of what's coming next for you.
Shalini, I think just because I've told you that I'm an image and a fashion consultant, certified image and fashion consultant. So yes, of course, I am taking personal clients where I will be teaching them about confidence.
Really? That's very interesting.
Yes. So that is the thing which is on my way. Yeah, that is one. And events are there. So yeah, you'll see me more towards being dedicated to the brands rather than just picking and choosing whatever is coming on my way. So yeah, which is definitely good for people, which is in people's trust. I will always pick up those brands. So you'll see a lot of big brands coming on my way. So these are the 2 things which is new.
So you're also very conscious now what kind of brands that you associate yourself with.
Yeah.
So how do you choose where, which brand you want to go for?
Yeah. Shalini, I have people's trust. They believe me. They trust me. They have all the influence of me on them. So just because I have to keep their loyalty with me and they trust me so much, so I have to choose only those brands which जो लोगों के हित में रहे. ना मुझे ऐसे ही ब्रांड्स उठाने हैं जो लोगों को भी पसंद आए और जो मेरी खुद की भी पर्सनल चॉइस हो. I do not want to promote any XYZ which is not being liked by people. So rather than being very commercialized towards doing the events, I want to be totally towards the loyalty which I carry for the people.
Anjali, let's get into some fun banter.
Okay,
I'm gonna ask you some questions. Try to give like a one-liner answers. Okay.
All right.
So tell me one word for your Monday mornings.
Gym.
What is your favorite coffee?
Black coffee.
Black coffee. It's my favorite too. One thing people assume about you which is wrong.
That I'm a guest lister, but then I should tell them that I'm a luxury brand strategist.
What is the polite way of saying no to people?
I think I will think about this and come back to you.
Okay. Fame, money, influence. Pick
Influence. उसके साथ सब कुछ आ जाएगा.
The boldest decision you have to make.
I think I've done this in the past, that I left my corporate career, rich corporate experience of 14 years. So yeah.
What's your mantra for success?
Self-love.
One guilty pleasure.
Try different eye makeup. क्योंकि उसमें गड़बड़ बहुत होती है. So I try doing that, जिसमें मैं बहुत अलग-अलग दिखने लगती हूँ.
Anjali, how do you like to unwind?
With my family and with my daughter.
Wonderful. What does future look like for you now?
An add-on title of my profile, it would be a successful image and fashion consultant.
Oh, that's wonderful. Any celebrity inspires you?
I think Bhavna Singh, very
Oh.
powerful.
Yes. That's a wrap, Anjali. Thank you so much. It was wonderful to know you. I've known you for so many years, but I think now I finally know who you are and what you have built, and which is so powerful. I'm
Thank you.
sure a lot of our audience have also, got inspired by you and learned something from this podcast, and look forward to being in your events.
Shalini, I also thank you so much, but then I also want to add on something, maybe just in 2 lines, that I really want to thank my people who have supported me. When I talk about family members, of course, all the family members, extended family, the team who has worked for me, and of course the people who have been continuously supporting me in and out. I really want to thank those people who have been there for me always and always. And I think उनके बिना तो मैं कभी बनी भी नहीं होती. So it is only and only the people who have supported me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shalini.